What the? What the? What the? My name is Nikita from Cars Off the Wall. For those of you who are familiar with the channel, welcome. For those of you who don't know, I buy cars from the auction. I fix them up, I clean them, and then I sell them to the general public. And I do have a license, although you don't need one when you buy cars from Copart Auction, like this one. 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan, only 71,000 actual miles. And I got it from Copart Auction for $1,500 with fees, out the door, everything. Let's talk about the damage. Don't worry about the tire. Tire's not damaged at all. It was hit as a side swipe all along here. It even has a dent right there. I'm not going to replace the doors because it's really minor and this will buff out. The fender though, I have to replace that. And voila, we already got the fender from the junkyard. Same color, a little damage here and down there, but a lot better than the one on the car right now. We're going to fix this car in one day. Let's get to it. I should also mention that this Dodge Grand Caravan has brand new tires, brand new struts, and brand new sway bar links, and it drives really good already. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna have to do anything really other than replace the fender, clean it, and then make a profit. We're gonna replace the fender, the side mirror, we're gonna clean it up, and we're gonna post it. Very easy. So let's get to it. Take the fender off, the old one, and put the new one on, and we're gonna show you the aftermath. You've seen this before, nothing fancy. What the? What the? Get it. In there. No. One last thing to do for the 2005 Dodge Dakota is put the new bumper and replace this one. It has a lot of paint chips and not very good bump in that on that side. This one found at the junkyard, $40. It was like a 40% off Memorial Day type of deal. 40 bucks for this one, and as you can tell, much better condition. Let's put it on the car right now. We're almost done. Can't believe it. Let me know when you're ready.
It's already ready.
All right.
What is
all
that?
right. Got a 2005 Dodge Dakota with only a 71,000 original miles in pristine condition. Whoever had this car took really good care of it. Has brand new struts on both sides, brand new sway bar links on both sides, and all the way around, brand new tires. We got the car from the auction for $1,500. Can you believe that? We had to buy a DEQ for $25, a rear bumper, and a fender for $175. Same color code match, so the work was super easy. We got it done in 2 freaking days. I can't believe it. Like, this is the car flip that you guys want, that I want. This is what really can turn around your business and kind of get it going and going and going more quickly. If you have to paint, if you have to do other stuff, you have to do brakes, it slows it down. You know how it goes. We're total into the car for $1,700, which is really good for such a low mileage car in really good condition. Overall, I'm thinking we're gonna post it for $4,200 and we're gonna take no less than $3,700 for a total profit of $2,000 in 2 days. 2 fingers, $2,000 in 2 days. Come on, right? It has to be meant for me. Red, white, and blue. Nikita from Cars Off the Wall. Thank you for watching and subscribing and liking this video. It really helps the channel to get more content out to you. Make sure to take a like and a comment from my wife, Serena. She does all the video editing for you guys, so you guys can watch the videos. You wouldn't be able to watch it without her. I don't have time to be making videos and flipping cars.
I have a time.
So it works out, right?
Yeah.
Stay tuned for our next profit flip.
Stay tuned for next flip. Stay tuned for next flip.
Stay tuned for our next profit flip.
A profit video.
Mm.
Profit video. Stay tuned for next profit video.
A little bit slow.
Stay tuned for the next profit video.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.